Hello guys, in this session we have to discuss how to check even and odd number basically using flowchart. So let's see step by step how to proceed. So simply you have to take an input box, drop here, again right click edit, and here we can write enter any number. So what is even number? Which number divided by 2 is called even, otherwise odd, like even 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, odd 1, 3, 5, 9, right? So enter any number. So we take variable and no, click done, click outside, take a condition box here, click right click edit. So you're given like num modulus, I mean reminder to equal to 0. Equal is the comparison operator which makes sure number dividual and coming 0, right? So click done, click outside. Again output box in S condition, right click edit, number is A1, click done, click outside. Again output box, drop here, again edit number is odd. Okay, click done, click outside. Let's run this and see. So once condition true, it will come to the if block, I mean yes. If once condition false, it will come to the no block, I mean else. So let's run this. So we are given 2. So you can see number is even. Obviously 2 is a even number. Let's run this. So we are given 1. Number is odd, as you can see. So now my condition satisfy 100%. Same way you guys can make for the leap year. So which year divisible by 4 is leap year, otherwise not leap year. So this is where you can make for the leap year as well. Okay, so I hope you like it. Thank you so much.